What do you do every morning?
I start my day with English practice.
Really? Right after you wake up?
Yes, just for 10 minutes.
What is the first step?
I think in English immediately.
What do you think about?
I describe my morning in English.
Can you give me an example?
I say, I am waking up now.
That sounds easy and simple.
Yes, simple English is powerful.
What do you do next?
I brush my teeth and speak English.
You speak while brushing?
Yes, I talk to myself quietly.
That builds confidence, right?
Yes, it makes me feel motivated.
Do you listen to English too?
Yes, I play a short podcast.
For how many minutes?
Only 5 or 10 minutes.
Do you repeat the sentences?
Yes, I practice shadowing daily.
Is it difficult at first?
Yes, but it gets easier.
What about new words?
I learn 3 new words daily.
Only 3 words?
Yes, small steps are better.
Do you write anything?
I write 1 short sentence.
About what topic?
About my plans for today.
That sounds like journaling.
Yes, it improves my thinking.
How long is your routine?
Only 15 minutes every morning.
That is not very long.
Yes, but it is powerful.
Do you feel improvement?
Yes, I think faster now.
So morning practice is important?
Yes, it trains my brain daily.
I will start tomorrow morning.
Great! Let's improve together.